In 6-Bit, you can combine item templates with the eBay catalog to quickly create multiple listings. From Sell Items mode, click the arrow under the Add button on the ribbon bar. Next, click Catalog Items, and the Add Multiple Catalog Items window will open. At the top of the window, you can choose which item template you want to use. I will use the children's books template that we created in a previous video. I also want the stock photo from the catalog to appear on my items in 6-Bit, so we will check the Use Stock Photo box. You can either scan your unique product identifiers into this box, type them in, or import them from a file. For this video, I have already prepped a file of ISBNs. Click Import Identifiers to choose the file to import. When I click OK, the ISBNs from my file appear in the window. Check this box if you want 6-Bit to create an item, even if the product isn't found in the eBay catalog. When ready, click OK, and 6-Bit will start searching the catalog and creating items using our chosen template. When the catalog search is done, the created items will appear in the Under Construction status on the Workflow tab.